Do you know how you can display the keyboard on this simulator? Well, if I come here and I want to enter an email, what I can do, I can type something on my laptop, okay? As you can see, everything will work fine. But in some cases, you might want to see the actual keyboard on this emulator, okay? So how do we do that? In order to do that, what you can do, you can simply come on this I and O. Okay, if I click on this and I click on this keyboard, as you can see here, I can toggle it, okay? If I click on this toggle, now you can see that the keyboard will appear, okay? And now I can type from here, okay? And if you want to make this permanent, because right now it's not permanent, to show you that, if I come here again and I click on this toggle software keyboard, you can see that it will go away, okay? So to make it permanent, what you can do, you can come here and click again, keyboard. And if you click on this connect hardware keyboard, if I unselect this one, as you can see, from now on, every time we use the emulator, we'll have a keyboard, okay? So that's it for this short video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If that's the case, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.